Hey everyone, welcome back to My Health. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our health-conscious community. Today, we're tackling a serious but manageable condition, proteinuria. This is when there's too much protein in your urine, often signaling kidney issues. But don't worry, I've got the scoop on the top 3 miracle vitamins that can help stop proteinuria and heal your kidneys. Proteinuria can be a sign of early kidney damage, but with the right vitamins, you can support your kidney health. Let's dive into the top 3 vitamins that can make a real difference. First up is vitamin D. This powerhouse vitamin is essential not just for bone health, but for your kidneys too. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium, which in turn reduces kidney strain and potential damage. Studies show that maintaining good vitamin D levels can significantly reduce proteinuria. You can get vitamin D from fatty fish like salmon, mushrooms, and fortified dairy products. And of course, don't forget some safe sun exposure. Next, we have vitamin B6. This vitamin is crucial for protein metabolism, easing the load on your kidneys. It also helps reduce oxalates, which can form kidney stones. Add foods like bananas, avocados, chickpeas, and poultry to your diet to ensure you're getting enough vitamin B6. Finally, let's talk about vitamin C, known for boosting your immune system. Vitamin C also fights inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys. It helps protect your kidneys and supports overall urinary health. Make sure to include vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli in your daily meals. Incorporating these 3 miracle vitamins into your diet can significantly impact reducing proteinuria and promoting kidney health. Remember, a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to My Health for more tips on staying healthy. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, stay healthy and take care of your kidneys.